Satan knows that he cannot overcome man unless he can control his will. He can do this by deceiving man so that he will cooperate with him in transgressing the laws of nature. She's not only talking about the law of God here, she's talking about the laws of nature, the laws of your physical being.
Mm-hmm.
Anything that lessens the physical power enfeebles the mind and makes it less clear to discriminate between good and evil, between right and wrong. Do you remember we showed a video a lot of WhatsApps ago, where we showed the effect of drinking 1 cup of coffee, just 1 cup of coffee, and where they did the brain scans and saw that your oxygen supply, your blood supply, particularly to your frontal lobes, was reduced by 40%.
That's it.
40% reduced capacity,
1 cup.
1 cup. Would it be easier for the devil to use that occasion to plant some diabolical seed in your mind?
What is the most popular drink in the world?
Coffee.
So let's say 70% of the world's population goes to work in the morning with a 40% less brain activity.
Oh, that's a very dangerous point.